During the last section, I spent some time talking about the Pomodoro technique, which is something that a lot of us probably know a lot about. But then, upon reviewing the video, I thought to myself, I might want to spend another minute or two talking about my views about how essential Pomodoro is and how important it is in the context of informing us about our approach and our thoughts with regard to taking a vacation. So I thought I would add a little bit more on my thoughts there.
In many ways, the Pomodoro technique should be applied on a greater scale to the work that you're doing in your business. The Pomodoro technique, there's been a lot written about it. The idea being that you work for some period of time, often it's 25 minutes, sometimes it's 45 minutes, and then after that you take a break. 25 minutes, 5-minute break. 45 minutes, 10 to 15-minute break. And that way you can refresh, rejuvenate, and then get back to it. And if you plan for it in that way, you can concentrate during that time period and then rejuvenate during the off period. While on a larger scale, taking a vacation allows you to hit that time so that you can be effective during the time when you're in the office.
And I thought it would be useful to include some materials related to the Pomodoro technique, so please look in the additional materials for this section. Again, I presume that many of you know about that, but again, it can't be that hurtful to pull out the hammer yet again and tell you about how important it is to take some time away, no matter whether it's 5 minutes, 15 minutes, or a week. And so I thought I would include this in a bonus lecture. Thanks.